Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we unboxing and install the Frizzlife Mk99 under sink water filter. Let's see what's inside this box. Inside the box, you'll find screws, white tape, brass converter, housing wrench, inlet hose, outlet hose, installation guide, Frizzlife Mk99. Frizzlife Mk99 top-notch under-sink water filtration system has a unique technology that removes over 99% of contaminants while leaving in all essential minerals, which are vital to your health. So you and your family will enjoy pure, spring fresh water from the tap. First, you need to take off the bracket, off from the filter system. Find the right place to mount the plastic bracket, make sure it's at least 4 inches lower than the bottom of your basin. Find the inlet hose with a female end, and connect the inlet water hose to where it is marked supply on the filter, make sure the rubber O-ring is inside. Find the outlet hose with malins and connect the outlet water hose to where it is marked filtered on the filter, make sure the rubber O-ring is inside. Then, mount the filter to the bracket. Shut off the water supply, and remove the existing hose. Connect the inlet hose to the angle valve, connect the outlet hose to the hose you just removed, and hand tighten, then turn on the angle valve. Flush the water for 3 to 5 minutes before you can use it. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to support my channel, and as always, have a great day.